What is the only male animal that gets pregnant?
Yeah.
Wow, man, don't laugh.
Yeah, exist nigga.
Ay, what is the only male animal that gets pregnant?
Dolphin.
Oh,
awukho nahali shem understand.
it's a seahorse.
What do I learn today, guys? But now I know.
Creepy. Ufuna ukugqibela? Just try it.
What do I win when this one is questions?
Question nganye ufumana i-R10.
Okay.
Yes. Ufumana i-R10. Yes, ufumana i-R50 xazwa ke.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, siya ku question ye 6.
Okay.
Hayi ke. Wayigeja le. Kuphelile.
And I don't know what happened there.
Guys, thank you for watching. What a beautiful episode.